Good morning, students. Welcome back to the topology online class. Hi, students. Today we are going to learn about some examples of basis of a topology and lemmas. Students, have you watched previous videos? Yes, I can see your views in YouTube. Okay. So all are watch all videos and learn every day. Then only it is useful for you. This pandemic situation, you have more time. Is it correct? So study well and learn more. Okay. Before starting our today's class, one small recap. What is the definition of topological space? A topology on a set X is a collection tau of subsets of X having the following properties. What is the first property? Empty and the X are in tau. The second property is the union of the elements of any subcollection of tau is in tau. The third property is the intersection of the elements of any finite subcollection of tau is in tau. If these three properties are satisfied, then it is called a topological space. Next definition, basis for a topology. What is the definition of basis for a topology? If X is a set, a basis for a topology on X is a collection script B of subsets of X such that two conditions are there. The first condition is for each small x belongs to X, there is at least one basis element B containing X. The second condition is if X belongs to the intersection of two basis elements B1 and B2, then there is a basis element B3 containing X such that B3 it is a subset of B1 intersection B2. That means the first condition is small x belongs to script B, it is a subset of X. The second condition is small x belongs to script B, it is a subset of X. Okay, next example 1. Let X be a set. The collection of all one-point subset of X is a basis for the discrete topology on X. Here, let capital X equal to set small a, b, c. Here, the basis equal to singleton set X such that small x belongs to capital X. It is in the form, okay. So small x, the basis is of the form singleton set X. This X belongs to that capital X. Capital X equal to what? That is set A, B, C. Okay. So the basis element is of the form singleton set X. But the script B, next line, the script B is a basis. Okay. So here basis B equal to singleton set A, singleton set B, singleton set C. Because the basis elements is the form, already we given the singleton set X. So the basis equal to the elements of capital X. Okay. So upon A, B, C. Next example number 2. Let script B be the collection of script B means that is basis. Be the collection of all circular regions bracket interior subcircles in the plane. Then Script B is a basis. Next solution. Let script B be the collection of all circular regions in the plane. Script B be the collection of all circular regions. First, circular regions in the plane. Here, the basis condition is first condition. Okay. Here, for each small x belongs to x in the plane, there is at least one circle containing x. This is the first property. First condition is the basis of a topology definition. Okay. So the second one, we have to check. Let x be the element of B1 intersection B2. What is B1? Basis element. First element of the basis. Intersection B2. B2 is the second element of the basis. Then we can find a circle B3 such that small x belongs to B3. It is a subset of B1 intersection B2. Let x be the second condition is x. What is the second condition? X belongs to script B. It is a subset of B1 intersection B2. It is a subset of x. Okay. So let x be the element of B1 intersection B2. Then we can find a circle. Okay. B3 such that this B3 is where x belongs to x வந்து எங்க இருக்கு B3 ல இருக்குன்னா the B3 is a subset of B1 intersection B2. Okay, this is the second condition of basis. Therefore, if these two conditions are satisfied, therefore it is a basis. Script B is a basis. Next example number 3. Let script B dash be the collection of all rectangular regions. First one is circular regions. The third example is rectangular regions. In practice, interior of a rectangle in the plane where the rectangles are sides parallel to the coordinate axis. Solution. The first condition, basis first condition, for each small x belongs to capital X, in the plane there is at least one rectangle whose sides are parallel to the coordinate axis containing x. This is the first condition. What is the second condition? Small x belongs to B. It is a subset of B1 intersection B2. It is contained in X. So, you verify that. Okay. Because in this first circular regions, the basis is, you denoted the basis is B, script B. So, you denoted the rectangular regions, the basis is script B dash. Okay. So, the second condition is let x be the element of B1 dash intersection B2 dash. Let small x belongs to B3 dash. It is a subset of B1 dash intersection B2 dash. It is the second condition of the basis for a topology. You have to verify. Okay. Therefore, script B is a basis. Next, first lemma 13.1. Lemma 13.1. The statement is let x be a set, let the script B be a basis for a topology tau on x, then tau equals the collection of all unions of elements of B. We want to prove tau equals the collection of all unions of elements of B. They are given x be a set and script B be a basis for the topology tau on x. You have to prove tau equals the collection of all unions of elements of B. Proof. Let U belongs to tau. Then what do you have to prove? Script B is a basis for the topology tau. Okay. And U belongs to tau. Topology tau and U belongs to tau. For all x belongs to U, there is an element Bx belongs to script B such that x belongs to Bx. It is a subset of U. The definition of basis. Then U equal to union Bx, because you want to prove tau equals the collection of all union of elements of B. So you have to take union. Then U equal to union x belongs to U Bx. With Bx belongs to script B. Script B is a basis. So Bx is the element of the basis. That implies U is a union of elements of script B. That implies tau is the union of elements of script B, because already I given U belongs to tau. Okay, so U is the union of elements of script B, means tau is also the union of elements of script B. Okay. Next, lemma 13.2. Let X be a topological space. Suppose that script C is a collection of open sets of X such that for each open set U of X and each X in U, there is an element C of script C such that small x belongs to script C. It is a subset of U. Then script C is a basis for the topology of X. Given X be a topological space. Script C, suppose script C is a collection of open sets of X such that the open set U of X and each X in U, there is an element C of script C. Script C means here script C is a basis. So element of script C is C1, C2, C3, etc. Okay. So small x belongs to C. It is a subset of U. Next we prove script C is a basis. Okay. Previous lemma, script B is a basis. But here you have to prove script C is a basis. Okay. Proof. Let X be a topological space with the topology tau. Next, let C, that is small c belongs to tau, is a collection of script C. It belongs to tau, is a collection of open sets of X such that for each open set U of X and each small x belongs to U, there exists C belongs to script C such that X belongs to script C. It is a subset of U. Because C is a subset of U, already given in the statement. To prove script C is a basis for the topology. So you have to prove script C is a basis for the topology. What is the definition of basis? For each small x belongs to capital X, there is at least one basis element B containing X. And the second property is, if X belongs to the intersection of two basis elements B1 and B2, then there is a basis element B3 containing X such that B3 it is a subset of B1 intersection B2. Okay, so you have to prove C is a basis for the topology tau. First claim C is a basis for the topology on X. What is the first condition? Thus X is an open set in X, that is X belongs to tau. Hence by hypothesis there exists C belongs to script C such that X belongs to C, it is a subset of X. This is the first condition. What is the definition of basis? அங்கே வந்து என்ன கொடுத்துருப்பாங்கன்னா பேசிஸ்னா கேபிட்டல் பி கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, ஸ்கிரிப்ட் பி கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. பட் இங்கே என்ன அப்படின்னா கேபிட்டல் சி கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. தட் இஸ் எ difference. Okay, next second condition is let small x belongs to capital X such that X belongs to C1 intersection C2. In that basis definition, that is B1 intersection B2. B1 and B2 are basis elements, but here C1 intersection C2. Okay, here C1 and C2 are basis elements. It belongs to the basis script C. Now C1 comma C2 it belongs to script C, and script C it is a subset of tau. Okay, that implies here C1 and C2 are open in X. Then C1 and C2 are open in X means that implies C1 intersection C2 is open in X. The intersection also it is open. So then C1 intersection C2 it belongs to tau. Therefore, X belongs to C1 intersection C2. And by the property of C, there exists. Property of C means that it is the second property of the basis. C3 belongs to C such that X belongs to C3. X, that element belongs to C3. It is a subset of C1 intersection C2. This is the second condition of the basis. Hence, the second condition is proved. Therefore, C is a basis for the topology on X. This is the first claim. Okay. Next, let tau dash be the topology generated by C. Tau dash be the topology generated. Tau is a topology. Now you have to take tau dash be the topology generated by C. First, the claim is tau equal to tau dash. Okay, now to prove that tau equal to tau dash, you change it. Okay, tau equal to prove that tau equal to tau dash. If tau equal to tau dash அப்படின்னு proof பண்ணணும்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? First வந்து tau is a subset of tau dash. Next you prove tau dash is a subset of tau. Okay, first you claim tau is a subset of tau. Let U belongs to tau. U, that implies U is an open subset of X. Now if X belongs to U, then by hypothesis of C, there exists C belongs to C such that X belongs to C. It is a subset of U where C is a basis for the topology tau dash. Here script C. Okay, C means that is script C. Therefore, U belongs to tau dash. That implies tau is a subset of tau dash. This is the first equation. Next, we have to prove tau dash is a subset of tau. Okay. Next, to prove tau dash is a subset of tau. Let W belongs to tau dash. In previous, U belongs to, you take U belongs to tau. Here, you take W belongs to tau dash. Okay, where tau dash is a topology generated by the basis C. Hence, W is the union of elements of C. That is W equal to union C alpha. Okay, because collection of unions, collection of elements. Okay, so union of the element script C with C alpha, it belongs to script C for all alpha belongs to J. Next, script C, it is a subset of tau. because script C is a basis. By the definition you have to take script C is a basis, means that script C, it is a subset of the topology. Okay, therefore C alpha, it belongs to tau. For all alpha belongs to tau. Therefore, C alpha belongs to tau means the collection of C alpha is also belongs to tau. That means the union of C alpha, it belongs to tau. The union of C alpha equal to W. So that implies W is also belongs to tau. Therefore, tau dash, it is a subset of tau. So this is the second equation. From equation 1 and 2, tau equal to tau dash. If tau equal to tau dash, the topology generated by the basis script C in tau. Hence, script C is a basis for the topology tau on X. Okay, thank you.